So we're here in our hotel now.
Oh, the air is blowing my ass off. Yeah. Is that free investment? Free years.
We're on our way to Sydney now. Georgie boy, we've packed up everything in the car. About to leave now. We're gonna go to the mall, return something, and then come back. Oh, and then go straight there, sorry. So we are just heading into Sydney now, and we're about 30 minutes away from our hotel. We have to stay in the burbs because, you know, our budget said so. And we actually contemplated doing the trekking back and forth, as I said before, like going and coming back, because like spending money on a hotel is just not justifiable. Justifying. I don't know. Anyways, I am just trying to be really good still. I mean, like, in terms of my diet, I don't want to splurge and just waste all of the time that I've spent. So I'm just being mindful, trying to be mindful, and just, yeah.
And guys, weather here in Sydney is so hot. I can feel it inside the car.
Not as hot as Canberra.
Canberra is a little bit hotter, not that hotter. So here in Sydney it's very hot. You Peta guys come and cheers with us.
Cheer with us, babe. Did you bring our Samoan flag?
Whoa.
Babe, did you find it? Bring our Samoan flag.
What? It's in other room.
If I post this vlog before we go to the game, can we please borrow your Samoan flag if you live in Sydney? We promise we'll bring it back to you, please.
No, I'm gonna put another flag in Sydney.
Where are you gonna buy it?
In the top.
They didn't even have those last year.
Yeah, they have.
So we're here in our hotel now, and I am getting straight to work, trying to upload a vlog, and I don't really know how to use this remote. Dilemma. I just tried to connect the laptop into the TV and it does not work. So the cables that they've got there, or the imports that they've got there to plug the HDMI, you can't actually change the channel to an HDMI channel. And I call the reception and she says, no, the only way to do it is that you have to lift the whole TV out. I'll show you what I mean. So they've got these inputs there, which I've got my HDMI in, but like nowhere on the remote tells you that you need to blah, blah, blah. And then the TV is like literally inside the wall and all the other cables are behind the wall. So we try like pulling the TV and it feels like it's gonna break. I don't know how to get it out. And then she proceeds to tell me that the maintenance man is not available until tomorrow. Okay, I know that, you know, that he would have been booked out or whatever, but like, seriously, something so simple as a TV, like honestly, I've never had this issue at any other hotel but this one. And it may not seem like a big issue, but it is for me, who was a YouTuber and a vlogger whose laptop screen does not work. So we're here at Macca's now, and the only reason why we're here at Macca's is because it's like the closest option to our hotel, literally across the road from it. But I've had to customize my order to have no sauces and no bun. I also ordered a garden salad instead of the fries. So Aussie, what did you get?
I just get mac chicken meal. Yeah, it's double one. Yeah, I just get that one. And Fanta as well, because I'm on diet too. Fanta is allowed in my diet.
Ah, okay. So I want to show you guys, I've got the patty here. I took the bun off, which I'm really annoyed that the cheese melted on the bun. And then I got Oh, I got a double quarter pounder. Just with the cheese. The cheese melted on the bottom one as well. And my salad right there. So we just got here to the Novotel Hotel and we're waiting for Peta to text us like creepy people. Just sitting here waiting by the hotel, waiting for him to text us to tell him that he's ready. Because I think they had gym session. And we got the bag of clothes and gifts to give him. Shoes and stuff. And I just realized it's our 3-year wedding anniversary.
Aww. Is that 3-year anniversary? Is that 3-year anniversary, baby?
Yes, baby. 3
years.
Anyways, I just want to tell you, Ossi. You stop talking like that, it's really annoying me.
You say you're a master, no?
Okay, whatever. Anyways, I can't believe we've been married for 3 years. That is so crazy, and it'll be our five years together this year as well. I cannot believe that. That's like the longest I've ever been with someone. And of course, because it's like the first. You need to come closer.
Look, it's still.
No, it's not. Look. Look.
Yeah, look, nice.
Yeah. Oh, the worst.
So guys,
my face looks bloated.
So guys, this is my boy.
This is my boy. I'm not your boy.
Hey guys, this is Georgie boy.
This is Victoria girl.
Lucky this girl catch me. So
no, I just said that to him. So it's our 3 years tomorrow, so we got to do something special, honey.
Yeah, we're going for dinner tomorrow.
I can't believe we're married 3 years time. I was like, so. I was like, so.
Say it again. Say it again.
No!
Say it again.
No, what are you gonna do?
Just say it and I'll...
I like so long.
Oh, the air is blow my ass off. The air is blow me away.
So this is the Olympic Park right in front of us.
Yeah.
Show them.
Yeah. It's not an Olympic Park.
Yes, it is.
That one?
No, it's art.
Oh.
And Ossie needs to go to the loo, so we're gonna go look for a loo for him.
Yeah.
So they're staying right across from the ANZ Stadium, which is very convenient. I have no idea where the Novotel entrance is. Ossie and I are in the hotel now, waiting down at the lobby, and it's so beautiful, the Novotel hotel. We could have stayed here for about, if we paid like $500 more than where we are at. So beautiful. We look like losers waiting for Peta. And Ossie wants to go for a walk, but I'm really not about it because I'm getting so hot. It's like still 30 degrees outside and I'm like suffering.
It's that hot.
It is hot. Don't mind if I help myself to some water. Complimentary.
Here he is. Yeah. That's my little brother here. This is Peta. Look.
Hey. What?
Now guys, we're here with my little brother here, coming with Samoa 7. So Yeah, we'll just get his stuff here. Yeah, snack girl here. Yeah.
Hey guys, so we're here in front of Novotel. We should have stayed here, but we didn't. Oh, do you want to take a photo? Hold on, I'll take it on Instagram. Yeah. Why are you filming me?
Say something.
Hi. So we're not sure what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna go to dinner soon. We really wanted to go to Darling Harbour, but I'm not sure if we're going to because we also want to go for a swim tonight. We've just been chilling here with Becca for about 30 minutes, just catching up. And I'm gonna see if he wants to say something because you know he's a little bit shy, guys. So this is the infamous Peta Alofipo.
Yeah. Đây là châu mua lên là nấy thế dạ từng đây nó vào early after 50 day xin đi study à nó mà ta so malitas all support us my family and my friend they support me. Yeah, thank you. God bless you all.
What
team do you play for? What team do you play for?
But for mai đây for mai đây mà cô áo rồi. For mai đây cầm mỗi con người vào khu giờ vay mà yên maru rupe là về cầm cả.
Because by the time I get there, they'll be dead. Guys, we just got back to our hotel, and after spending so much time with Becca, we rushed back so that we could go for a swim, and I'm so excited. So the pool closes in an hour, so we're going to quickly go there. I'm going to pull my hair up, put my swimmers on that I bought. I bought new swimmers. So I got my swimmers on. So I'm going to put this over it because, you know, I'm not that confident yet, girl. And then when I get in the pool,